Very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our English class. Hope all are safe at home with your family. Today, in this session, we can learn a new topic, words with vowel E. Words with vowel E. We completed words with vowel A. Today, we can start a new topic, words with vowel E. So, we all be ready with our English textbook and cursive practice book also, okay? Yes. Let's start our class. We completed words with vowel A. Words with vowel A we completed. Today we can start the new topic, words with vowel E. Words with vowel E. E makes a sound A. E makes a sound A. A makes a sound. A makes a sound A. E makes a sound A. Can you say the vowels? Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So we completed A. Today we can start words with vowel sound, vowel E. Okay? Yes, all listen here. First, we can learn how to read these words. Okay? See, first word B, E, D. B, E, D. B makes a sound B. E makes a sound A. D makes a sound D. So B, E, D, how we will read? B, A, D, bed. B, A, D, bed. Next one. F, E, D. F, E, D. Yes, all read. A, D, fed. A, D, fed. Next one. R, E, D. R, E, D, R, A, D. Red. R makes a sound R. E makes a sound A. D makes a sound D. Red. Red. Next one. L, E, G. L, E, G. L makes a sound L. A, G. G makes a sound G. G makes a sound G. L, A, G. Leg. L, A, G. Leg. Are you clear better this line? See the next one. P, E, G. Yes, all read. P, E, G. P, A, G. Peg. P, E, G. Peg. P, E, G. Peg. Next word, listen carefully. G, E, M. So we learned G makes a sound G. In phonics, this G has soft G and hard G. Soft G makes a sound J and hard G makes a sound G. But you don't make confusion. Here G, E, M, this is soft G and we have to read this as gem, not gem, gem. We have to read this as gem. When G precedes before the letters I, E, Y, that is also in not all words, in some words. We have to pronounce this as J. Okay. So this is soft G. Don't make confusion. We have to read this as G, E, M, gem. How we will read this G, E, M, gem? I will explain you later. आपका भी total confusion ना होना. ठीक है? Yes. G, E, M, gem. G, E, M, gem. Then see the next one. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. Next word. W-E-B, web. B-A-B, web. W-E-B, web. H-E-N, H-A-N, hen. H-A-N, hen. H-A-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Yes, once again listen here. We can read all these words once again. B-E-D, bed. अब टीचर के साथ रीड करके जाना सर. F-E-D, fed. R-E-D, red. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. P-E-G, peg, g, P-E-G, peg. And this word G-E-M, G-E-M, gem, not gem. इसको हम कैसे रीड करना है? This is soft G. When G proceeds before E, I, Y, we have to pronounce as J. That is also not all words, beta. Abhi, gem में G-E-M, we have to read as gem only. G-E-M, gem. N-E-T, net. P-E-T, pet. W-E-B, web. H-E-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. P-E-N, pen. Okay. Yes, now all of you take out our English textbook. Taken. Yes. Open page number 24. Page number 24. Today we are going to start the new topic, words with vowel E. Yes. Put date here. 31st August 2020. And this is our classwork, CW. Yes. Listen up. Trace and rewrite the word under each picture. No need to trace because this is not written in cursive. So we have to write the word. We have to rewrite the word under each picture. Listen up. B-E-D. We learned today. B-E-D. As all say B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. B. Teacher के साथ लिखे जाओ. B-E-D. B-E-D. Line touch करके लिखना. B. Then E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. No need to trace. You have to just write here only. Okay. Then F-E-D. F-E-D. Fed. F-E-D. Fed. F. Go to the first line. Come down to the fourth line like this. Like F. Line touch करके लिखना बेटा. Then E. Then D. F-E-D. Fed. F-E-D. Fed. Finished. Then C. Next word. R-E-D. R-E-D. Red. Read करके ही लिखना. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. Then next word. L-E-G. L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. These all words we learned today. Just we are recapping and writing here. L-E-G. We learned how to read. Now we are learning how to write. L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Line touch करके लिखना. Then next one. P-E-G. Peg. P-E-G. Peg. P. How will you write P? Like this. P-E-G. P-E-G. Peg. P-E-G. Peg. The next word. G-E-M. How we will read this G-E-M as? Gem. Gem. Soft G. This is soft G. So we have to read this G as J. G-E-M. Gem. G-E-M. G. Generation. Gem. से G के बाद E आ गया तो और I और Y. So mostly we have to pronounce as soft G as J, and other letters we have to pronounce as G. Okay. G-E-M. Gem. But G-I-R-L. Girl, not girl. Girl. We can learn it later. First you listen here. But just you have to remember. We have to read this G-E-M as gem only. G-E-M. Gem. Yes. See. N-E-T. Confusion ना होना. G है, j है. You all read as G only. Here we have to read this G-E-M as gem. This is soft G. बस वही याद रखो. G-E-M. Gem. N-E-T. Net. N-E-T. Net. N E T, net. N-E-T, net. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, P-E-T, pet. The next one, W-E-B, web. W-E-B, web. W-E-B, W-E-B, web. Then, next one, H-E-N, yes, all say H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, H-E-N, hen. Then, T-E-N, ten. T-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. T, go to the top here, come down, then touch here, T-E-N. Letters, ऐसे टच करके लिखना बेटा. You have to write how you practiced. Then P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. So P we had practiced like this. P-E-N, pen. Yes. Finished? Yes. Now take page number 25 also. Page number 25. This is also today's classwork. Here also you put today's date 31/8/2020 and this is also today's classwork. CW. Okay. See here. I am explaining. Fill in the boxes with this page you completed, no? Page number 24 you completed, no? Yes. Now listen here. Fill in the boxes with correct words from the help box. Some words are given here. We have to fill the boxes with the correct words from the help box. See the picture and we have to write the word, proper word. We have to write the proper word here. So, which picture is this? Den. Den. D-E-N. Den. D-E-N. Den. D-E-N. Den. Den. This one, met. They are meeting, no? Met. Met. M-E-T. Met. M-E-T. Met. Then, this one, pen. Pen. Yes. What is this? Pen. What is this? Pen. Who lives in pen? Who lives in pen? Yes, sheep. Sheep lives in pen. Who lives in pen? Sheep. ये sheep की घर है, ठीक है? Yes, बेटा. Who lives in den? Who lives in den? ये पता है आपको? Who lives in den? Lion. Lion lives in den. The lion की घर कौन सी है? Den. Lion lives in den, and sheep lives in pen. We can learn in EVS. Yes, first you listen here. Sheep lives in pen. So this is pen. P-E-N. P-E-N. Pen. Okay. Then this picture, bet. Gilla है ना? Bet. W-E-T. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Bed. Bed. W-E-D. Bed. Yes. Once again, listen here all. D-E-N. Den. M-E-T. Met. P-E-N. Pen. W-E-T. Wet. W-E-D. Bed. Finished all? Yes. Now, copy these words more than once. Copy these words more than once. We have to practice only one time. You can practice one time only. Copy these words. B-E-G. B-E-G. Beg. B-E-G. Beg. If you want to write one more time, you can write 2 times here. Okay? Otherwise, you write one time only. B-E-G. 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 Beg. bug, bug. B-E-G, bug. Then P-E-T, P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. L-E-T, let. L-E-T, let. L-E-T, L-E-T, let. Then see this word. H-E-M, H-E-M, hem. H-E-M, hem. H-E-M, H-E-M, hem. See the next word. G-E-T. Here all see G-E-T. Here how we will read this word? Not jet, get. Get. हम कैसे read करें इसको? Get. Here also E comes after G, but we have to read this word as get only. This is not jet, soft, not soft G, hard G. G-E-T as get only. G-E-T, get. I told you in some words only we have to read this G as, consider G as soft G. G-E-T, get. Yes, once again listen everybody. G-E-T, get, but G-E-M, G-E-M, gem. Here we have to read this G-E-M as gem and G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. Then last word S-E-T, set. S-E-T, set. S-E-T, set. S-E-T, set. See these words once again. B-E-G, beg. P-E-T, pet. L-E-T, let. H-E-M, hem. G-E-T, get. S-E-T, set. Okay, our class is finished. Yes, now all close this book. Now all take our cursive practice book. Today I am giving you homework in this book, cursive practice book. Open page number 26. So today's homework in page numbers 26 and 27. E words. Words with vowel E. Here in the top you put today's date 31/8/2020 and this is your HW homework. And in page number 27 also you put today's date 31/8/2020 and this is HW homework. See the words. These all words we learned today. Only one word, one new word is here. All other words we learned today. B-E-D, S-E all, B-E-D, bed. Once again I am writing how to write. I am showing you. B-E-D, bed. Yes, next word F-E-D is also F-E-D, fed. F-E-D, fed. Fed. बोल बोल के लिखना, मुंह बंद करके लिखना नहीं. F-E-D, fed. F-E-D, fed. Then R-E-D, R-E-D is also R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Then complete this full bed, fed, red, red. Complete this page full. Write full. Draw 2 lines also. Then next page W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. Then last word J-E-T. It's a new word, na? This is new word. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. It's all say J-E-T, jet. Yes, right. J-E-T, J-E-T, jet. Okay? Yes. Complete your homework. We can see another words the next session. Till then, bye-bye.